Hello everyone, I am Mujib. I am excited to announce there is a 2 days of hands-on workshop, a topic called as Clinical Data Analytics by using Power BI, hosted by SASTRA University in collaboration with Clinosol Research. This event is being performed or this event is being conducted on hands-on workshop by using Power BI on 23rd and 24th of February 2024. On day one, we will be having a sessions on clinical trial protocols and interpretations and also ICH GCP and latest designs of clinical trials and also EHRs and EMRs and their advantage and limitations. On day one, we will have a hands-on workshop on clinical trial protocol and its interpretation, how the protocol can be interpreted. And on day two, we will be speaking about clinical data science and clinical data analytics or visualization by using Power BI. On day two, we will have a hands-on workshop by using EHR and EMRs and data visualizations by Power BI. So please do join us on 2 days of hands-on workshop which is being hosted by SASTRA University in collaboration with Clinosol on 23rd and 24th February 2024. Thank you so much.